Complex numbers.
Today in this session 12, we are going to discuss about square root of a complex number. That is how to find square root to a given complex number. Let us consider a complex number z is equal to a plus ib, where b is not equal to 0, because if b is 0, then it will be purely a real one. So the condition is b should not be equal to 0, right? So to this complex number we are going to take square root. So a plus ib is equal to z, and we are going to take square root on both sides. So root of a plus ib is equal to root of az, right? Now if you take square root to this complex number, if you take square root to this complex number, you will get some other complex number. Let us consider that complex number as x plus iy. Right. Now we have to find what is x value and what is y value. That is our main goal. Right. Now let us square it both the sides. So your answer will be like this. Square and root will be cancelling one another. So the next step will be like this. That is a plus ib is equal to, using the formula of a plus b the whole square, we'll get the answer is x square plus 2i into xy plus iy the whole square. I square value is minus 1, so it will become as minus y square. So a plus ib will be equal to x square minus y square plus I into 2xy. Right. Now these two are complex numbers. A plus ib is a complex number, and x square minus y square plus I into 2xy is also a complex number. Since these two complex numbers are equal to one another, we can equate like this. Real part of this side complex number will be equal to real part of this side complex number. So a will be equal to x square minus y square, and if you equate the imaginary parts, b will be equal to 2xy, right? So we have a clue. So our main goal is to find the value of x and to find the value of y. We have a clue now. That is a is equal to x square minus y square and b is equal to 2xy, right? How to find x and y? There are so many ways. Even from here we can get the value of x by bringing 2y this side. Then it will become b by 2y is equal to x. And you can substitute it here and you can get the value of y. Then after getting the y value, we can substitute it in the same equation to get the value of x. But we are not going to do so. We are going to do one more technique. That is, here we have the value of x square minus y square. If it is possible for us to find x square plus y square, then it will be easy to solve the two equations to get the value of x and y. So let's go to a small technique. There is a formula x square plus y square the whole square can be written as x square minus y square the whole square plus 2xy the whole square. This is a formula. Let us see how this formula comes. Right. Now just see x square plus y square the whole square. Just applying the formula of a plus b the whole square, your answer will be a square plus 2ab plus b, that is y square the whole square. Right. Let us do a small adjustment. This is x square plus y square the whole square. But this side, let me try to bring this in the form of x square minus y square the whole square. In case if you want it, this plus should not be here. It should be with negative sign. So let us do a small adjustment. Right. Instead of this minus 2x square y square, actually we have only plus 2x square y square. Now I adjusted into minus 2x square y square. So surely the value is changed. To balance this, we are adding 4x square y square. Now if you simplify these two, you will get the same result. But if you see, this is in the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. So this can be written as x square minus y square the whole square. This is your a, this is your b. It is in the form a square minus 2ab plus b square. So we can write this as a minus b the whole square, that is x square minus y square the whole square plus. And this part you can write it as 2xy the whole square. That's good. So we have this formula. Right. Now we know the value of x square minus y square, that is a. So instead of this x square minus y square, we can write a. So this will become a square. And we know the value of 2xy, that is b. So instead of 2xy, we can write b. So our x square plus y square the whole square will be equal to a square plus b square. That is, we are taking square root to this, and because we want to find x square plus y square, we don't want x square plus y square the whole square, so we are taking square root on both sides. Our answer will take this form, that is square and root get cancelled. Instead of x square minus y square, we have to write a. For this square, the square. For this plus, instead of 2xy, we have to write b, so that is b square. So we have another one clue. Already we have a clue, x square minus y square is a, and another one clue, 2xy value is equal to b, and now a new clue, x square plus y square value is equal to root of a square plus b square. Using these three values, we are going to find x value as well as y value. You must remember this. A value is x square minus y square, b is equal to 2xy, and x square plus y square is equal to root of a square plus b square. Right. Now using this clue, we are going to solve the equations. The newly received equation is this: x square plus y square is equal to root of a square plus b square. And already we have this equation, x square minus y square is equal to a. Moreover, you know, 2xy is equal to b. Right. To get x value, just add these two equations. If you add these two equations, plus y square and minus y square will get cancelled and we'll get 2x square. So by adding these two equations, our answer will be 2x square is equal to root of a square plus b square plus a. That's good. So we have received x square value, that is x square is equal to root of a square plus b square plus a, whole thing divided by 2. Right. Now, you know, if a complex number's value z is equal to a plus ib, then its modulus will be equal to root of a square plus b square. So instead of this root of a square plus b square, we can simply write the value modulus of z. So now your x square will be equal to modulus of z plus a by 2. The same way, now we need x value, so let us take square root on both sides. If you take square root, it will be plus or minus square root of modulus of z plus a whole thing divided by 2. The same way, let us try to find b value by subtracting these two equations, right? Let us write the two equations again, right? And let us try to subtract it. If we subtract it, this is minus x square, this will become plus y square, this will become minus a. So plus x square and minus x square will be cancelling one another. This is also plus y square. While subtracting, this will become plus y square. So it will become 2y square. And the final answer will be equal to 2y square equal to root of a square plus b square minus a, while subtracting these two equations. So now we have the answer of y square. From this we can get the value of y. By taking square root, we can get the value of y. As I told you already, root of a square plus b square is nothing but modulus of z. So y square is equal to modulus of z minus a by 2. Now let us take square root on both sides. That is plus or minus square root of modulus of z minus a by 2. Right. Now, this is inside the square root. This is also inside the square root. Sometimes, if the square root, the value inside the square root is negative, it will give us some problems. Whether this or this, whatever it may be, right? But surely this value or this value will not become negative, because you have a formula that is modulus of z value is always greater than a value. So here modulus of z value is greater than this a value. Whether this a may be a positive one or a may be a negative one, whatever it may be, this value is, modulus of z value is greater than this a value. So if it is positive, it is very simple. Both are positive, so positive value. Even if it is negative, it will not affect, because this value is greater. So greater value minus smaller value will give you only a greater value sign, because it is always positive. Hence this value will be positive. The same way here also modulus of z value is greater and a value is smaller. So you will get this value as a positive value, because this is always a positive one. This is a bigger one also. So inside this root you will get only a positive value, whether for x or for y. So if we take square root, surely we will get only real numbers as answer for x as well as for y. Then we are going to join these two to make a complex number. So surely, since x square value and y square value are greater than or equal to 0, x comma y belongs to capital R. As I told you, because inside the square root you will get only a positive value, so surely your x value and y value will belong to a real number, right? Now you know the three facts. Now you know the value of x, you know the value of y, and also you have to remember that old condition, that is 2xy is equal to b. As this x square plus y square is equal to root of a square plus b square, x square minus y square is equal to a, and 2xy is equal to b. These are the three conditions that we received. Now you know x value as well as y value, right? Let us see why I am saying like this, right? You know, we are getting square root of a plus ib. So we'll have only two solutions to this square root. But if you see, there are four values. For x you have plus or minus this value, for y plus or minus this value, right? Then how to come out of this? But only two answers are correct, because if you write, you can using this plus, you can use this plus and minus two set of answers. Using this minus, you can use this plus and minus, so you will get again two set of answers. So there are four answers, but we have only two answers in reality. How to get it? The clue is here. That is, B is your deciding factor of the sign. Because if in the given complex number z is equal to a plus ib, if this b value is positive, you know b value is equal to 2 into x into y. If b value is positive, then certainly this x value and y value must have the same sign, plus into plus or minus into minus. Then only your answer will be a positive one. In case if this b value is negative, then if x is positive, y should be negative. If x is negative, y should be positive. Both should be of opposite sign. This is the clue. So we are going to do a small technique. This is the key clue. How we are going to solve, just you see here, right? Now we have this solution. So root of a plus ib is nothing but x plus iy. X value is written here and y value is written here, and plus or minus is placed outside. And for x I have written this, for plus I it is so, for y we have written this, right? Only the thing is this: plus or minus is placed in the front. So now you have only two answers, right? How it matches, how it works. See here, B may be a positive one or it may be a negative one as they have given. But modulus of B is always positive. So if it is 5, this is also 5. If it is minus 5, then this is plus 5, right? So if B is positive, this value will become 1. If B is negative, then this value will become minus 1. Because if it is 5, 5 by 5, 1. If it is minus 5 by modulus of minus 5, that is plus 5. So minus 5 by 5 is equal to minus 1. So it takes two values. If B is positive, it takes plus value, that is plus 1. If B is negative, it takes minus 1. So if B is a positive one, then this will be a positive one, right? So one answer is plus of all this thing, another answer is minus of all this thing, right? So our idea is now very clear, because if I take this B as, if the given value of B is positive, then this value will be a positive one, because positive by positive, that is plus 1. So your answer is something plus I into something. So plus will take one answer and minus will take another answer. As I told you, since B is positive, both are taking same value, that is same sign. In case if B is negative, then as I told you, this will be a negative one, this will be a positive one, both will get cancelled, but you will get the answer is minus 1. So now it is negative minus, but this is positive. So both are in opposite sign. Both are in opposite sign. So when plus operates, the first solution, it will be plus root of this and minus root of this. The next time minus root of this, and already as I told you, here you will have minus, this minus into minus will become plus. So in the first time, here you have only 1, that is plus I. So plus to this and plus to this, first solution. Second solution, minus to this and minus to this. But if b is negative, then it will take -1. So already now here it is minus I. Now if it is minus I, this is plus and this is plus into minus, minus. While taking minus, this is minus into minus, it will become plus. That is, x and y will have opposite signs. So we have only 2 answers. So if you keep this in your mind, it is very easy. If you memorize this as a formula, it is very easy to find square root to a complex number using this formula. Otherwise, if you want to do the problem by your own without using this formula, you have to follow the same procedure. This is a very important one. Keep this in mind and practice sums from your textbook. Thank you.